Country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Venita don finally file a petition against the blogger wey be say accuse her of sabotaging Mercy Eke. So few days ago, a particular blogger wey be say dey call the Sabi Radio come out, dey call out Venita, say Venita na pay am to sabotage Mercy Eke, to dey tell lies about Mercy Eke. So according to the blogger say the agreement wey and Venita get na say Venita go dey as Venita dey pay am to dey lie for Mercy Eke head, she wey be Venita go dey grant her interview to dey help her dey get engagement for her page, all those type of thing. But as Venita no come keep to the end of the bargain, na the blogger come outside come start to dey spill the tea. So Venita on the other hand come dey explain to us no be wetin happen, say according to her the blogger don dey stalk her, the thing don dey turn to stalking, because the blogger dey always come 3 a.m. for night, dey come knock for her door, say he want to interview her, all those type of thing. Say she no know anything about am. So to seal the complaint and to clear the air, Venita don finally file a report against the blogger. So this na the petition wey be say the law firm issue out. So according to the stuff, ma just read am fast fast. So e come say, dear handler, cease and desist all defamation of Venita Maria Akpofure character and reputation through scandalous posts on your official X handle. This law firm represents Venita Maria Akpofure, an actress of British Nigerian descent with a social media following of over 2 million people, who will be referred to as our client from here on. We are penning this letter following the directives of our client regarding the matter at hand. If you are represented by legal counsel, please direct this letter to your attorney immediately and have your attorney notify us of such representation. We have been reliably informed by our clients that on 27th January 2024, you maliciously and falsely published concerning our client through your official X handle at the Sabi Radio the following words: Venita's team reached out to pay and have us lie against Mercy Eke following her vindictive act in the house. Now you are trying to act the victim, main girl of the season, for a reason. We have screenshots ready after you provide yours. It is clear that any average reader would interpret the aforementioned statement as implying that our client and her team is untrustworthy and orchestrated a smear campaign against another housemate, whether in or out of the Big Brother's house, allegedly. This assertion is false, unfounded, and entirely preposterous. Neither our client nor any member of her team, by extension or association, committed such acts. We've also been instructed to inform you that since the post was published, our client has been overwhelmed with calls from her followers, peers, friends, fans, and clients globally. These individuals have read your post, have expressed their shock and disappointment at the scandalous content you wrongfully and intentionally posted on your official X account at the Sabi Radio about our client. Accordingly, we demand that you immediately take down the scandalous post across all your social media platforms. B, immediately issue a public apology to be published on your official X handle at the Sabi Radio within 7 days from the date of receipt of this letter. C, immediately cease and desist your unlawful defamation of Venita Maria Akpofure. If you do not comply with this cease and desist demand within this time period, our client is entitled to seek monetary damages, equitable relief for your defamation. In the event you fail to meet this demand, please be advised that our client has asked us to communicate to you that she will pursue all available legal remedies, including seeking monetary damages, injunctive relief, and an order that you pay court costs and attorney's fee. Your liability and exposure under such legal action could be considerable. Before taking these steps, however, our clients wish to give you one opportunity to discontinue your illegal conduct by complying with this demand within 7 days. I recommend that you consult with an attorney regarding this matter. If you or your attorney have any questions, please contact us directly. Thankfully, come put the name of the law firm for under. The truth be say, ever since dis news come out, Mercy Eke fans, because immediately dat thing happen dat time, Mercy Eke fans really insult Venita to the extent of dem going to her DM to go dey wish her a lot of ill things wey be say no good. You know as e dey be with BBN fans. Wahala no too much like dis, no be small thing oo. So as she drop dis statement, some pipo come out, her fans dey very happy say she take dis action. Yes, because me sef, even though talk say I no really know the transaction wey be say sup between Sabi Radio and Venita, I like the fact say she come out to come counter the rumour, because dis thing for really stick with her. So make we just see some comments after Venita post dis petition notice for her social media handle. So the first person here go say they had the audacity to accuse you of doing something, trying to spoil your image, and then blocked you. That's screaming stupidity and mashness. If what they are claiming is true, why block you? Lord have mercy. All I know is sue them, because this is so wrong. But the question wey be say I dey ask be say, why of all the Big Brother Naija people, why be say na Venita name this particular blogger call to say na im dey pay her? The person for call Ike na, because after all, Ike and Mercy they no dey in good terms anymore, or Angel, or wetin dem dey call am, or Sisi wey be say mercenaries always insult. Why be say na Venita name that particular blogger call say na im dey pay am money to dey drag Mercy? Well, eventually breeze go blow and fanwonyash e go open. So make we move to the next comment. So the next person can say, there's a way we can get a hold of them. Ask one of your celebrity friends to schedule an interview. Once they show, arrest them. Few nights in Kirikiri is enough to reset any brain. So when Venita post that thing, she dey actually dey complain to say they no get any physical office. The particular blogger, they no get physical office, and e no know where I wan take see them to take give them the letter, because apparently the blogger had already blocked Venita from all their social media platforms. As a matter of fact, the blogger block all Venita fans, all of them. Even if you know Venita fan, if you be blogger wey be say they follow Venita, the person go even the Sabi Radio block, they block everybody join. So another person go say, let the war begin, people will learn from the hard way. Both Venita, both the Sabi Radio, two of them never really wan tell us wetin they really get in common, because I not just the person of you just wake up, can't just call your name for something as big as that. Where we go see how the whole thing go play out. Una take care, una bye.